This manifold valve inflates and deflates up to 2 air springs using two 1/4 inch NPT intake and two 1/4 inch NPT exhaust ports. A ports connecting the airline to the air springs are 1/4 inch NPT, while the ports connecting the airlines to the air gauges are 1/4 inch NPT. The robust internal solenoid valve structure maximizes flow rates and guarantees operation up to 230 psi for millions of cycles. Provides seamless installation and reliable operation.